I'm gonna disassemble my bike and put it into the suitcase, and everyone's gonna do the same thing. And thankfully the train station is right across the road from our hotel.
Okay.
Our bikes are packed, and now I just need to zip it up. Yeah, we're almost done. Just gonna leave these bags at reception as we go and wander around a little bit more.
We're gonna go look for a place to eat. This building here is the Hiroshima Full Focus. This is where the locals go to find places to eat. There's a whole bunch of Okonomiyaki places in here. We're gonna go check it out. So if you're somewhere near the Hiroshima Station and you just want to walk to a nearby spot that's got places, this is one.
This looks like the floor that has all the Okonomiyaki stalls, so let's go check it out.
This is the one. It's where the locals go for good Okonomiyaki. We've got the seafood special and the oyster special. So, did we order too much?
I think you might have, but it does say one each.
I think my oysters have started dancing off. Let's start with the little parts first. Get down. I think that's the last piece.
No! So we all smell like okonomiyaki. And I'm not mad about it.
We finished everything. So, did we order too much? Nah, I think we ordered just right. Yeah, ate everything.
We just got our tickets to get to Kansai Airport, which is where we'll be spending the night before our flight tomorrow morning. Hopefully everything is smooth sailing. Okay, so we made it for train number 1. We're gonna have to switch at another station in a bit, probably like an hour and a half from now. But here's another tip: if you are traveling with a big bike bag, reserve the seat at the end, because there's space in the back for you to slot your bikes in. If you have a bike case that doesn't fit in here, just send it using the luggage forwarding and you'll be fine.
Shin Yokohama and Shinagawa Station.
This Hello Kitty train is going to take us to Kansai Airport. So we're going to check in for the night at a hotel here. We're exploring Kansai Airport because we got here tonight. Ujicha macaron. This is fine, but ujicha. We're checked in, just waiting to board our flight, having a quick bite before we get on the plane. Minute flight, you really get the ass end of the plane.
stay tuned for the next set of adventures. We're still planning something. So, see you guys next round. And him too.